So, welcome. Today, what I'd like to do is within 5 minutes give you tips on how to meditate and to get you started meditating. And we're even going to try with a little example. So, let's get started. The first thing is going to be posture. What you want, rather you are standing up, sitting like I am, or lying down. You want a posture that supports you being attentive and relaxed. So the main thing is to watch your spine and make sure your spine is straight all the way up through your neck, through the back of your head. You can imagine a string pulling your neck up, pulling the back of your head all the way through to your spine in a straight string all the way through. So that supports your stable posture. And you want to find a posture that doesn't hurt. A lot of times early on, we try postures that we're not flexible enough for, and the meditation itself becomes a hindrance because we're so worried about the physical pain. So find a position that works for you, work on your flexibility to get into other positions, and then go from there. So that's the posture. Make sure you have a stable posture, straight spine. The next part is when you are actually meditating. There's a few misconceptions. Meditating is not, the goal is not to get to some pleasurable state while meditating. And it's also not a way to empty your mind. In fact, that'll likely make meditation harder for you. So what it really is to cultivate awareness and to train your mind. And you can look at my other videos or some other videos on the web to see why that is. So with that, you don't need to empty your mind. So what are you actually doing? So I'll give you a some quick imagery that may help with that. So you can imagine that your mind is a stream or a river, and that each thought, feeling, sensation, or formation going through is a fish just swimming through the stream. And you can imagine yourself sitting outside the stream, looking at the stream. That's awareness. And what we tend to do is run after every single fish that goes through. The practice of meditation is to simply allow the fish to acknowledge that it's there and to watch it go by, and then to continue back over and over and not allow ourselves to run after the fish and try to catch it or run away from a fish we find off-putting. So that's the whole job of meditation. So to do that, we practice breathing. So the breath is a great object to come back and focus on because it's always, or usually, always there for you. So we come back to the breath anytime we're getting caught up. So we may go after a fish and catch it. And the thing to do is to catch and release. And when you release, come back to the breath. And when people say come back to the breath, what they mean is just focus on the top right above your lip. And if you're breathing through your nose, you can breathe in, feel the cool air, feel the texture and the quality of the air coming in. And then when you exhale, feel the quality of the warm air. And you're just going to hang on to the breath as you watch the stream of your consciousness. And really, that's meditation. So we can try out for 10 seconds here just to feel that stream, focusing on our breath. Thank you.